Another day, another story. How to build your social media leads. I was just watching a video from one of my social media gold course. The video was from one of my favorite social media gurus. That being Zaran Sidhu. He is an expert on Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms. He talks about the 8 templates you need to follow to build your social media following and sales. I've put a link in the description below for you to watch one of his videos. You will learn new insights in building your business. Also, check out my social media gold course. It's loaded with over 200 videos and, believe it or not, 2,000 pages of social media marketing tips and strategies. It's the largest collection of social media marketing strategies and tips on the planet. It's like a college degree in social media. Go to www.socialmedialeadsystem.com. Again, that's www.socialmedialeadsystem.com. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies.